All right. Good Friday morning. Hey, while I got your attention, subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. I won't be trading live today. I'm going to be tending to some elders. Looks like that's going to be my regular Friday for quite some time. But this is the morning market meeting. And here we go. All right, look at that jump up today. Pretty aggressive. Showing me a couple of zero touches on the momentum. Very, very strong, very strong. And what was interesting is we had this one green finger, and I was thinking that we get a down day, and would have been a pretty good sell-off. But some economic indicators came in, showed a little bit of a slowing in the economy. That's what we're looking for. This is an anticipation of the Fed slowing down and seasonality, Christmas rally, which I think is going to continue. And I got targets at about 4,100, I'd say. We might even challenge this 43 by the end of the year. We'll have to see how it adds up. But on the daily, we see this low, a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. We're in an uptrend, ladies and gentlemen. This may be the next low that we make. We have this gap. We're probably going to fill this gap. I say we tag that 101, come down, fill this gap, maybe make another move up to the upside. Really no patterns we can discern. We'll take a quick look at the weekly, which would be more appropriate tomorrow. I'm looking for a trend reversal or a head and shoulders. Actually, we have a trend reversal because we have a divergence here. And the divergence broke and we moved up. But I'm thinking, well, you know what? Once we break that 4,100, then we should be looking at the 42.31. And that would probably be our second shoulder, which is cool. Or the beginning of our neckline, rather, to start building the second shoulder. Then we'll come back and close today's gap, or yesterday's gap. And then we could have a good anticipation. Figure about 800 points, man. So 46 might not be impossible before the end of the year. I'd like to see it. Ultimately, I think we would come back down. We settle around in this range. But, around that 46 range might not be a bad bet before the end of the year. We shall see, we shall see, we shall see. But as far as what we're looking at on a daily setup, what are we talking about here? Right now, we're up 11 points, relatively flat. It's 5 in the morning, so I don't really know. I don't think we're going to see. That was a big move yesterday. Wouldn't say we ended the day over bought. I think we're still fair value, but today will be a reset. If we don't jump up, we'll be fair value today. We could push up. I don't know. After a 200-point move, I'm a little apprehensive. I'm expecting a little down time, but that's only one day up. Today's Friday. You don't really want to go into the weekend. We're already up. Can't really call it. It's running. There's no setup. We'll just let it go. Let's take a quick look at BTC, man. That's been in the snooze. Well, you know what? I want to take a look at the futures, and the 240 is already putting in a topping pattern, or at least a topping bar. And that bar is going to close in about 8 minutes. If it closes like that, that's a good indication of a topping bar. We might retrace a little bit, maybe set up a daily flag. Would be better if we opened flat and set up and went down a little bit for the day and set up a daily flag. That'll give us a chance to consolidate. Some profits come out of this very aggressive move. and get ready for a move up on Monday. I'd like to see that. So we'll talk about that Monday morning before the market gets started. But that's what we're looking at. Here's the daily bar. We don't want to see that on the market at the open. I think I'd rather see it open flat and trade down a little bit. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. And let's look at the BTC. Where the hell do I have that? Oh, there it is. You have a flag on the 240. It's kind of weak. I don't like seeing these indecisive bars inside my flag. So it's really nothing that's motivating me. You have these channels. The channels are always a good move. Once it breaks, somebody should have taken that short. We talk about it all the time. Yeah, it should have went shorter around 1837. Could have picked up about 3,000 points. I mean, this could look like a flag. I'm not too worried about it. I think this, as far as investing goes, I think, you're a buy down here. And I scooped up some throughout the day. And I'll forget about it. Short term, I mean, you could look at this as a flag. I mean, this is a good strong bar. There's a healthy retracement. So if we break the low today, yesterday's low today, away we go. Actually, is that? Oh, that's today's bar. So hopefully today's bar closes like this, and Monday we get that break. We could take that move down. That's what we're looking for. No need to go through oil and gold. Nothing's changed from yesterday. That's it. Short and sweet. Appreciate everybody hanging out, stopping in. And subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. Should be calm and cool when you trade. And good luck trading.